The 5,000-mile oil change myth. What it's actually doing to your engine. Buckle up, car enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling a notorious misconception that's lurking in garages and driveways across the nation. You might think a 10,000-mile oil change is just fine. Think again. This could be one of the fastest routes to destroying your engine, especially if you're driving a modern gasoline direct injection (GDI) vehicle. Why is this overextension of oil life so risky? It's all about a wicked phenomenon called oil dilution. Put those worries in park, and let's hit the road on this journey of discovery together. Part 1. The GDI engine pressure dilemma. Understanding extreme fuel injection. We need to dive into the heart of GDI technology. This marvel of engineering operates under stress levels that accelerate wear. Let's compare the old to the new. An old-school port-injected engine runs fuel at a pressure of about 35 to 45 psi. But in the GDI realm, that pressure skyrockets. At idle, the pressure is already around 400 psi, and under full load it reaches over 2,000 psi. Why such incredible intensity? These modern injectors must atomize fuel directly onto the piston while battling the compression pressure already in the cylinder. This high-pressure action leads to one toxic problem: gasoline vapor escape routes. The intense pressures create havoc. GDI systems rely on thin piston rings to maintain compression, but these rings aren't impermeable. The problem worsens as engines age and piston rings wear. When rings wear, they don't seal as well. That high-pressure gasoline vapor, atomized by the injector, easily sneaks past those worn rings and leaks directly into your engine oil. The vicious cycle of deterioration. When gasoline seeps into engine oil, it dilutes it, thinning the oil's viscosity. Remember, many modern cars use lightweight oils like 0W20, so you do not want it to get any thinner. This tainted oil then fails to safeguard your engine, churning through the camshafts, bearings, and cylinder walls, eroding metal surfaces. A telltale sign? If you check your dipstick and the oil level keeps rising above the full mark, and you haven't added oil, that space is being taken up by diluted gasoline. Part 2. The two-headed monster of engine damage. GDI engines face a dual threat that accelerates their downfall: dilution and carbon buildup. 1. Dilution meets sludge. Oil diluted with gasoline isn't just lighter, it turns into a time bomb. When oil loses its ability to lubricate, it breaks down rapidly, leading to the creation of sludge and varnish. This varnish hardens on internal components, turning your engine's innermost workings into a sticky mess that restricts oil flow and accelerates wear. 2. The carbon cloud of doom. Unlike traditional fuel injection that washes down intake valves with every spray, GDI setups bypass the valves altogether. Fuel is injected directly into the combustion chamber, leaving the valves high and dry. Meanwhile, the positive crankcase ventilation (POXI-V) system sucks nasty oil vapors and combustion remnants back into the intake manifold. Since there's no cleansing gasoline spray, this oil builds up into thick carbon deposits on the intake valves. That thick carbon salad chokes airflow and significantly complicates performance. For certain vehicles, like many Volkswagens or American GDI engines, installing an oil catch can on the PCV system can collect these oil vapors before they hit the valves, offering a simple fix to prevent buildup. Note that some advanced systems like the Toyota D4S use dual injection to clean the valves. Part 3. The 5,000-mile rule in special cases. A no-nonsense oil change strategy. What's the remedy to this tension-filled situation? It's simple. Ignore the fallacy of long intervals. Dismiss the 10,000-mile myth perpetuated by automakers. This belief is often a disservice disguised as convenience, done to make maintenance look cheaper and meet environmental regulations. But it's not about prioritizing your engine's well-being. Here's the deal: 5,000 miles or bust. If you're behind the wheel of a GDI engine, you should be changing your engine oil and filter every 5,000 miles. No exceptions. You must also use a full synthetic oil with a full synthetic filter, as cheap filters are only rated for 3,000 miles. The diesel counterpoint: why gasoline is different. Many people ask about diesels, which have long used direct injection. The key difference is that diesel fuel is a lubricant. It's essentially kerosene. When it dilutes the oil, it doesn't cause the same destructive, corrosive wear as gasoline, which quickly ruins the oil's protective qualities. The turbo and American engine risk. Turbochargers. If you have a GDI engine with a turbocharger, like the early Honda 1.5T or the new Tacoma, the dilution problem is compounded. You're adding the pressure of GDI plus the extra pressure of the turbo blowing high-pressure air in, making frequent oil changes even more vital. American engines. American manufacturers, like Ram, often use low-tension piston rings for reduced friction and better mileage. This design makes them highly susceptible to fuel dilution. If the dirty oil causes these rings to get stuck, they stop sealing and you get massive fuel dilution. Part 4. Maximizing longevity. The importance of driving habits. If you're a low-speed, short-trip city driver, you're making dilution worse. The engine never fully gets to operating temperature, and the gasoline vapors and water sit in the oil. To minimize dilution, drive your car at higher speeds for long distances whenever possible. The high temperature from highway driving will actually boil out water and gasoline impurities from the oil, keeping it cleaner. Stop the cycle and maybe unstick your rings. If you suspect your rings are sticking due to sludge, you can try an oil system cleaner, like those designed for carbon buildup. You pour the cleaner in, run the engine at about 2,000 RPM for 20 minutes, and then immediately drain the oil and change the filter. This can often free sticking rings before serious damage occurs. Consider the costs. A simple oil change will run you around $50 to $100. Compare that with the extensive repair costs tied to mechanical failures caused by neglect. We could easily be talking about $2,000 or more in repairs. Financially speaking, that's a no-brainer. So let's wrap it up. Ignore the 10,000-mile rule if you own a GDI engine. Maintain your vehicle with disciplined oil changes every 5,000 miles and relish the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're protecting your investment. Your engine will thank you for it.